And the guys cutting the trees are back again. We've got Sky. Haven't had Sky here for 30 years. Just been blocked by the trees. There's the rope tightened up again. Tree swing. Not ready to go yet. And ready to go now. There she goes. And a few more trees are down. And the birds and the squirrels will not know what has hit them, because they're going to take away these ones over here as well, I believe. It's all change. As I say, don't want to see all the trees go, but it's not in my power. And I presume the guys will be back tomorrow again to cut this section here.